You know, I think it's very interesting that this defense team decided not to call any witnesses, testimonial witnesses. They are going to put in some documentary evidence, some text messages, things like that. But that tells me that they think the prosecution proved the defense case. That's what that tells me. 95% of federal prosecutions end in a conviction. You know, there's a very high conviction rate. But when defendants testify, the conviction rate goes up even higher. So I'm not surprised that Sean Combs didn't testify, although I believe that he wanted to. He was a very engaged defendant. He was passing sticky notes around. He even got admonished by the judge for nodding to the jury. So I suspect he's the kind of guy that thinks he can get on the witness stand and charm the jury into believing that he didn't do some of the things he's alleged to do. He did not. He also did not go on the stand. It's extremely, extremely rare. Less than, I mean, most defendants don't testify. I've had the opportunity to cross-examine, cross-examine defendants, and they've all been convicted.
So do you think that if he gets off the hook, is he going to make a comeback, do you think? A lot of them,
I think it would be really difficult, you know, to be honest with you. And I don't know that he'll get off the hook on everything. I don't think the prosecution has proven racketeering. I don't think the prosecution has proven sex trafficking. But in terms of taking prostitutes across state lines to engage in prostitution, that's the Mann Act. I think there's pretty clear evidence of that, but that's less than 10 years. The max
Mann
is 10
Act,
years.
because only men do that.
It's called the M-A-N-N Act. But I've got to tell you, it's been really fascinating to watch because this jury doesn't seem to be buying what the prosecution is selling. That's just my
How
take.
did you think?